quick video will show you how to get started in your all-in-one course. Now the key is right here when you first enter the course. Your next focus areas. All your activity in the course is considered, and here we personally guide you through your next steps in the 5 dimensions all the way until you reach your PTE goal. So if you are new to your all-in-one course, you want to get this started. Now you can do this by either uploading your previous official score report or doing a practice test. Now once we have that first understanding of your skill level, you will see this. Now your first 3 question types to focus on are here, and you can immediately start by going into Learn or Practice. Now if you are completely new to PTE in general, then we would recommend that you go straight to Learn first. Then practice a number of questions so that we can first understand you from there. So that is how you get started in your all-in-one course.